Welcome. Today we're taking a look at AISellers. What is it? How does the source material say it works? We want to help you figure out if it might be for you.
Exactly. We're doing a deep dive into AISellers 2.0. It's based on some excerpts we have from a source called AISellers 2.0 Explained.
Right. And our goal here is really just to unpack what this tool claims to do, how it says it does it, and what kind of marketing stuff it promises to create, all based on what's in this source.
And reading through it, the first thing that jumps out is this big claim. It's pitched as an all-in-one AI marketing campaign builder.
All in one. Okay. And it says it creates, well, a whole range of things.
Oh yeah, the list is pretty extensive. We're talking high-converting pages, videos, lead magnets, even flipbooks.
Flipbooks, right. Those interactive things.
Yeah, and talking head videos, scripts, blogs, ebooks. It goes on.
Okay, but let's get to the main claim. The source says it can generate all that from just one product URL.
That's what it says. A single URL, and supposedly in minutes, not the usual days or weeks.
Minutes.
Sure.
And it also stresses, I think this is a direct quote, 0 writing, designing, editing, or tech skills required. That's a bold statement.
It really is. And the source elaborates, saying it can take any URL affiliate link, e-com store, local business, whatever, and turn it into affiliate pages or review videos, bonus offers.
Huh. So not just for affiliates then?
No, it claims it can also auto-generate things like ebooks, blog posts, opt-in pages, social videos, for any niche.
So it sounds like it could be used for lead generation or building landing pages, maybe even doing full campaigns for clients.
Exactly. The source actually mentions using it for local clients, managing YouTube channels, running ad campaigns, translating content,
Wow.
and even selling the assets it creates.
Wow.
Things like scripts, checklists, or those entire client marketing packages.
So the summary from the source material paints a picture of it being like having your own AI-powered marketing agency.
Pretty much. It calls it a full-stack marketing agency, powered by AI, creating campaigns better, faster, and smarter. That's the promise laid out in the document.
Okay, that covers the what's. But the big question is how. How does the source say it actually pulls this off?
Well, the material breaks it down into what it calls 4 simple steps.
4 steps. Okay, what's step 1?
Step 1 is basically giving it the info. You either paste in that product URL we talked about.
Right, the affiliate link or e-com page or whatever.
Or if you don't have a link, maybe it's your own unique offer, you can manually input the details.
And the source says the AI then scans the page or uses the details you provided.
Yeah, it says the AI scans it, extracts the relevant data for promotion. It also mentions you can kind of tweak the messaging here, customize it for different audiences.
Does it say how it scans or prioritizes info?
It just says it auto-scans and extracts data. No deep technical details on the how in this source, just that it happens.
Got it. Okay, so after the AI has the info, what's step 2?
Step 2 is where the AI apparently does the research and planning. It identifies key features, benefits, selling points from the page, or the details you entered.
And then it brainstorms.
Instantly brainstorms, according to the text. Scripts, hooks, lead magnet ideas, content plans. It structures everything ready for you to choose from.
Okay. Which leads nicely into step 3, I guess, making the actual selections.
Exactly. Step 3, you pick the assets you actually want. It mentions dozens of types.
And the claim is the AI handles all the hard parts.
Right. Copywriting, video scripting, finding visuals, formatting, all handled by the AI. Your job, as the source puts it, is just point, click, and confirm.
Point, click, confirm. Sounds incredibly simple if it delivers on that promise across all those different assets.
Very simple. And that brings us to the final step, step 4, launch.
Launching the campaign. So you've got the assets. What happens now?
You deploy them. The source says you can instantly publish the content websites, social media, client platforms, use it all for traffic, leads, sales.
Or, like you mentioned before, sell the whole campaign package to a client.
Precisely. Sell it as a service. The source sums it all up by calling AISellers a 24/7 content-generating, client-getting, profit-pulling machine. Strong words.
Definitely strong words. Okay, so pulling back, looking at the big picture based only on the source material. What's the takeaway thought here?
Well, I think it prompts a pretty interesting question, doesn't it?
Which is?
If, and it's a big if based on these claims, but if you really can create a whole marketing campaign, all those different assets, just from a URL or a few details.
It's just pointing and clicking.
Right. If that's genuinely possible, how does that change the way you think about marketing or content creation? Or maybe even, starting up your own marketing service.
It certainly paints a picture of dramatically lowered barriers. Something to think about, definitely, as you consider if tools like this fit into your own plans.
Welcome to AI Sellers. In this short demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI Sellers and its custom trained and custom built AI agents to promote and market any product or service of your own or of your client and generate traffic, leads, and sales to all your products, to all your services within minutes. To get started, we're going to create a project to promote one of my product, and I'm going to show you how you can create all the marketing assets within minutes. So first we're going to go here and change the name to one of my products called AI Callings. Now you need to train the AI about your product. That you can do by typing in the content, importing data from website, uploading documents, PDF, images, or uploading video files. In this demonstration, we're going to import data from the website, from the sales page. So I'm going to go here and do this, and I'm going to select non-e-commerce URL and click on import. As you can see, the website data has been imported. You can view it, edit, add more to it, or add more URL and train more data to the AI. Now, once this is done, we're going to go over here and click on assets. Now, here we can create marketing videos, landing pages, ebooks and flipbooks, opt-in pages, blog articles, multiple blog articles. We can create ads, we can create images and graphics to promote on Pinterest, we can create email campaigns, we can create SMS and WhatsApp campaign, and we can create AI bot campaign. Now let's start creating by video. Click on create video, enter the video name, and of course you can create videos in all these different formats. Select the style and click on create. Now you have 6 different video options that you can create: a custom video, a video just from the text, a talking head video, an audio to video, an image to video, or text to movie scene. So for example, we want to create a text to movie scene. We're going to click on select and click create. Now of course here we can describe the details of what kind of video we want to create. Click next. Here you can pick from different video ideas. Click next. And now here's the title and description for your video that you can later schedule on YouTube and Facebook as well. Here you can preview your script and edit, modify it to it. Click next. Now here you can schedule your video on YouTube and Facebook if you'd like to do that. But first you need to go and connect your YouTube and Facebook account. Click next, select your thumbnail. That will also be AI generated. You can again edit the thumbnail if you want, or you can upload a new thumbnail. Now here you can choose between AI images or stock images. We're going to choose AI images, and you can also clone your voice. You can upload your own voice or pick from one of your 11 voices, or you could just use any of our free voices to go with. Click on create videos, and your video will start generating. Now while the video is being created, what we can do is we can go back and let's create a landing page to promote our product. We click on landing page, page 1, give it a name, we select the country and language we want to target, and click on create. Now we have a bunch of templates to choose from. You can choose this template and click on create, and now it will start creating your landing page. Same, let's do it for the ebook. Super easy. As you can see, you just have to select, enter, create. That's it. Let's do an opt-in page as well. Create. Tons of templates will be added, and you can pick, and we add new templates every month. Click on blog article, create, and again you can create it in all different languages, all different countries, targeting all different demographic. Let's create an ad. Let's create some graphics. Let's create an email campaign. Let's create an SMS campaign. And let's create an AI chatbot. Now let's quickly preview everything and see what we've created. So let's start with landing page. We can click on this icon to preview the page, and then of course everything is AI generated. All the data is added. You can modify it by clicking the edit button, and you can change everything here in a very simple way. And if you want to use WYSIWYG editor, you can do that as well. So you can use a drag and drop editor to modify your page as well. Now let's take a look at the ebook that we have created. Again, you can see ebooks in 2 ways: a PDF or a flipbook. So let's try this one, which is a flipbook, and you can share this flipbook as a link with anybody you want. And if you want to do that as a PDF, you could do that as well. Of course, you can modify your ebook right over here. You can see all the chapters, you can modify everything. You can see all these different chapters that have been created, and of course everything is editable. You can see the PDF version as well over here. Let's look at the opt-in page that we have created. Again, everything is modifiable. You can edit everything, add your own opt-in code here. When you edit the page, you can create blog articles, and you can create as many as you want with AI generated images, and then you can upload them or publish them on your blog, and you can create multiple blog articles. Same way, you can create multiple ads for different platforms, and you can see all the ad settings that we have here, and you can set up your ads here, and you can preview how the ad is going to look and modify everything over here. Same, you can see the graphic that have been created, or you can download that graphic as well. You can edit it, modify it, add more to the graphic, or remove something from it. Same way, you can see the email campaign that we have created, modify it, edit it, or publish it on your autoresponder directly from inside the app. You can look at the SMS campaign that has been created. Again, that can be set up and copied and shared with your phone number to send SMSs to your clients, or even WhatsApp messages to your clients. And finally, you can embed the chatbot that you have created by using this code on any website, any page you want, or even the landing page and ebook that you have created. Now also, let's finally look at the video that we created. And of course, you can create multiple of these videos, multiple of these assets, all within minutes, and start deploying them and start publishing them, and to start generating traffic. Let's edit this video and preview it how it is. So as you can see, we created an anime video, and if you want to preview it, you can simply click on preview button.
Call center office in the United States.
And you can see there are all these different slides have been created. Everything is already all AI generated, custom work done. And then again, you can go ahead and start modifying the video as you want. You can add more backgrounds, you can add more images, all AI generated. You can add more text layer, you can add narration, you can change the voice. You can add a talking head, you can add your own picture, and it will be added over here as an animated talking head. You can change the background music, animations, add an intro, outro slides. You can add captions to the video from all different formatting styles. You can control the volume of the voiceover and the background music. You can add a call to action, which could be an affiliate link or website link, and then you can add your logo and watermark if you're doing agency work or clients work. And once you're ready, simply click on render. It will start rendering the video and ready for it to be published as per your schedule that you had selected in the publishing section over here. Or you can simply just download the videos as well. Now, that's how AI Seller works. It lets you create all these assets within minutes to promote any product and service online, and everything is fully automated, done by AI. This is the perfect app out there to promote any product, to generate traffic, leads, and sales to any product or service out there. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. We'll be happy to help you. Cheers.